In a forest made of silver light, where whispers dance through the endless night, a girl so pure like morning snow, with a heart the dark can never know. 7 lights in a wooden home. She's never truly all alone. Voices soft